Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on SMTP configuration. In today's video, we'll walk you through configuring SMTP in the app. Please note that this setup is for gmail.com email account users only. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have installed the app, the first step is to configure SMTP so you can send and receive emails properly. Let's get started. In the Email Configuration or SMTP Configuration section, you will need to fill in the following details. In the host field, enter smtp.gmail.com. Next, we have the port field. Enter 465. In the username field, enter the email address you want to use for sending and receiving emails. For the password, you need to generate an app password from your Google account. Here is how. Go to your Google account and click on Manage your Google account. Then navigate to the Security and Sign-in section and enable two-factor authentication. If you have already enabled it, then it's fine. After that, search for app passwords and click on it. In the App Name section, enter the app name or any name of your choice. Then click on Create. A password will appear on your screen. Make sure to save it or take a screenshot, as it is visible only once. Now, copy this password and paste it into the SMTP password field here. Next, in the encryption field, choose SSL. In the Email From field, enter your Gmail address. Once all details are filled in, click on Save. To verify your configuration, simply click on Test Mail. If everything is set up correctly, you'll receive a test email and a confirmation pop-up will appear. And that's it. Your SMTP configuration is now complete. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.